Everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko natin reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Dito na naman tayo sa TikTok kasi kahapon hindi tayo nakapag what do you call this? Ay, hindi nag-TikTok pala ako kahapon. Dapat pala ang Facebook ang ginawa natin ng reaction video. 'Di ba, hayaan nyo sa susunod, ngayon, after this, magre-reaction video sa Facebook. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, ano to? Ay, 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 ay.
Their show.
Maria Clara
Wait.
Ibarra.
Diyos ko. On the heels of a very popular show.
Maria Clara Ibarra.
Diyos ko. Ang daming bata,
Oo.
teenagers, nasa interviews na nakabisang ganun, that the guards were so confused.
May bagong trending. Parenta ng terno.
Something funny that happens across historical sites in the Philippines and especially in Intermos, ng mga bandang January, February, ang daming teenagers na nakasuot ng Filipiniana
Love it.
walking out because they're shooting for Nolly and Feely. For me, that was such an alien thing because we used to do just stage plays of this in school. Oh my God,
Oo.
you're shooting on location. Cell phones
Yes.
and lapels and all that. Oh my God, production
We are
values.
looking
Yes.
at
I think
influencer
the reason that
MK.
people are
Sa
investing
totoo
in the
lang.
trend or at least thinking about it was because on the heels of
Malaki
a
ang
very
influence.
popular show from
Malaki ang
GMA.
influensya ng
Maria Clara
Incan.
Ibarra. 2022.
Nung lumabas yung series na yon, Diyos ko, bilang ang daming bata, teenagers, na nasa interviews na nakabisang ganun, gotten so much that the guards were so confused.
Ang
Obviously,
laki,
because
ang laki
these
ng
were
influensya
children.
nila.
Hindi. It was because of their fandom. Try to get into the group of things. Gen Z and Gen Alpha's leading the charge
Love
with the tourism.
it.
The kids are the ones that are compelling their Gen X and millennial parents to go here to explore. And the kids just wanna
Yes.
play video
And
games
also
and
my
whatever.
friend,
And that is true pa
na-vlog
naman.
niya yan
But
eh.
there's also a part of them that likes to explore whole things, in love with anything analog. To spearhead ng mga ganyan na experiences. And I think they're the ones more likely go for the costumes. We want more of that. More of that.
Yes,
Everywhere.
True. Okay, what's next for today's video? Ay, hindi tayo naka-auto-scroll. Naka-auto-scroll tayo ah. Ay, hello. Congrats, David. Napanood na natin yan. Ay, Miss Barbie at Rufus' birthday. Hindi nyo kaya for today's video. Ganun talaga. Charis! Hindi nyo kaya si Barbie. Ay, alam mo, ano kayang ibig sabihin nito? Linaruto ni Mami Ami. Actually, may message to kahapon sa akin na parang may gustong ipahiwatig si Mami Ami dito. Pero baka laro lang din naman. Pero ang hindi ko lang maintindihan, bakit parang si Fidelity dyan ang lalaki? 'Di ba? Yan yung suot ni David Licauco sa, what do you call this? Sa That Kind of Love. Pati yung tindig. 'Di ba? Saan dalahin? Tsari. Ay, you win.
News 10 foreign nationals, including 4 Israelis, are arrested by
Ay.
immigration agents.
Hala, bakit inarrest? Wait lang. Licaucos and Hyrox, Jakarta. Okay, napanood na natin to. Tingnan natin si Mambarda United. Ang mga hindi talaga ako dyan nakafollow kay Mambarda United because naka-log out ako. Okay, naka-log out ako sa TikTok. Ayoko nang gumawa ng reaction video na naka-log in ako kasi pag naka-log in ako, ang mga vlog ni Mambarda United na dapat hindi naman ilalabas, na ilalabas ko. So I am really sorry, no? Charis! Ay, ano to? Bago to ah.
Hello,
Medyo
pwede
ano,
po kayong ma-interview po? Sure. How's your
Sure.
reaction po dun sa...
Sino yung lalaki dun sa likod?
pwede po kayo... Hello, pwede po kayong ma-interview po? Sure. How's your reaction po dun sa...
Siya na ba? Hindi.
ang babae sa TikTok?
Ay,
It was an experience.
okay.
And it's the kind of experience na gusto kong ulit-ulitin. So I will definitely watch this again. Kasi para sa akin, hindi lang siya natatapos sa gabing ito. Parang everything I saw, everything I've seen today, bibitbitin ko siya. And kasi masterclass siya from Miss Eugene eh. Acting masterclass siya talaga eh. hindi ko alam kung masispoil ko, pero ang dami niyang ginawa dito
Spoil na
na
yan.
acting approach na pwedeng i-translate din sa film and TV na pwede ding matutunan. So, mas yun. Talagang nag-aral lang talaga ako buong show. Pinag-aralan ko lang si Miss Eugene and in terms of story and the playwright, wala akong masabi. Again, I am here because my very brilliant director turned good friend, Direct Chris Martinez, invited me to be here tonight and I'm so grateful for that. Sobrang galing kasi they were able to tackle a lot of social issues pero in a very witty and funny way. So it's the kind of humor na it's smart enough you're gonna have to take it seriously. Diba? Yung humor nila, ang talino. And ang galing kasi napagsama-sama nila ang lahat ng magagaling sa industriya ng teatro para sa napaka spectacular na show na ito. And it's something that doesn't need any introduction. Sabi nga ni Direk Andoy, di ba? He doesn't need an introduction. Siya na yan eh. Siya na talaga yan. And I'm so happy to also see him. Ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nakita. Siya ang director ko sa Stairway to Heaven sa first time sa Pilyang Kerubin. So it's so happy. I'm so happy to see him again. More of him actually tonight. Parang too much of him. I saw too much of him tonight. Pero ang galing sobra. Wala akong ibang masabi. Hindi siya hindi ako nagiging OA pero napakagaling ng lahat.
From 1 to 10 po, paano niyo po i-rate yung acting po nila Eugene Domingo?
Sorry, one more time.
From 1 to 10, paano niyo po i-rate yung acting nila Miss
Of course,
Eugene
10,
Domingo?
11.
I don't think I have the right to do that actually. I think we all experience the same kind of masterclass that they have shown in this play. And para sa akin, kayong mga nanonood nito, you have to see it for yourself para maintindihan nyo ako na walang rating na makakapag justify ng ginawa nila.
And lastly, kindly invite everyone to watch Ang Babae sa Septic Tank.
Yes, of course.
Matali
Hi
mo
everyone,
talaga si
I'm Barbie
Barbie.
Forteza. I just witnessed
Pinag-iisipan
and
niya talaga yung
experienced
sinasabi niya.
ang
Hindi ko
babae
alam
sa
yung
Septic
wala
Tank
siyang
4.
masasagot sa
Oh
akin, pero very
shit!
spontaneous
Live
siya.
na sa Chatter! Kaya sana grab your tickets now kasi ubusan na po. So baka magsisi pa kayo at hindi nyo binili. Bilhin nyo na dahil nagkakaubusan.
Underpeta pa
Dahil
naman.
feeling ko naman
Pahanda umibig muli.
Underpeta pa naman to. Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kate Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!